What is a DIY smart thermostat system?
A smart thermostat system lets you control your home's temperature remotely and automatically. Instead of relying on a traditional thermostat, a smart system uses sensors, wireless controls, and software to help manage energy use efficiently. Building your own version offers flexibility, the chance to customize features, and the satisfaction of integrating different technologies to improve comfort and savings.
Essential components and tools.
To build a DIY smart thermostat, you'll need a few key components. The basics include a microcontroller like an Arduino or Raspberry Pi, temperature sensors, a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth module, a relay module to control your heating or cooling system, and a power supply. You'll also need basic wiring, screwdrivers, insulation tape, and possibly a case to house your components safely.
How sensors and controls work together.
A thermostat uses temperature sensors to monitor your environment. Data from the sensor is read by the microcontroller. Based on your preset preferences, the system decides when to activate or deactivate heating and cooling devices using a relay. Adding wireless modules allows you to adjust settings and check the temperature from your smartphone or computer, even when away from home.
Setting up connectivity and automation.
Connecting your system to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth enables remote access. You can create a mobile app or use an existing platform like Home Assistant to control the thermostat, set schedules, create temperature triggers, and even integrate with virtual assistants for voice control. Automation features can optimize energy use, such as lowering the temperature when you're not home.
Safety tips and optimizing performance.
Safety is crucial when working with electrical systems. Always turn off mains power before installing or connecting to your heating or cooling unit. Use protective casings for electronics and ensure proper wiring. After setup, monitor your system's performance, check logs, and fine-tune the settings to maximize energy savings and maintain comfortable temperatures throughout your home.